How to create menu in WordPress. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Appearance section on the left sidebar. From there, click on Menus. If you don't already have a menu created, you'll see an option to create a new menu. Enter a name for your menu, such as Main Menu or Footer Menu, and then click the Create Menu button. Once your menu is created, you'll see a list of available pages on the left side of the screen. You can add items to your menu by selecting the pages you want and clicking the Add to Menu button. You can also include categories, custom links, and other content types by using the tabs provided. After adding items, you can arrange them by dragging and dropping them into your desired order. To create a submenu, simply drag an item slightly to the right under another menu item. Next, you'll need to assign your menu to a specific location on your site. Most WordPress themes come with predefined menu locations, such as the primary navigation or footer menu. You can find these options under the Menu Settings section. Check the box next to the location where you want your menu to appear and click the Save Menu button to apply your changes. If you want to customize the appearance of your menu further, you can do so by using the WordPress Customizer. Go to Appearance, then Customize, and look for the Menus section. Here, you can select your menu and make additional adjustments, such as changing the menu styling or adding a logo. Finally, don't forget to test your menu on the front end of your site to ensure that all links work correctly and that the layout is user-friendly. Regularly updating your menu as you add new content to your site will help keep your navigation fresh and relevant, ensuring a better experience for your visitors. With these steps, you can easily create and manage menus in WordPress, enhancing the overall functionality and accessibility of your website.